Hello everyone. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. If you would like to join my community, you can do so by going to communities.unrealengine.com/Memphis. And this is what the page will look like once you join it. This is the page you will see once you go to Unreal Engine Memphis. You need an Epic account to join. And if you want to, you can join all my socials here. You have a Discord and my other social media. And if you also would like to donate to me or donate to my cause, you can go here and donate here. Okay, guys, we're going to start this off by downloading 5.4. If you already have it downloaded, you can click on the options and make sure you have editor symbols for debugging clicked. We're going to apply that and update to that. We're going to need that for debugging our C++ code because this is going to be a blueprint in C++ project. So be prepared for that. Before we start, there's a few things that we need to download. Visual Studios being one of them. Go to google.com and search Visual Studios 2022 Community. As you scroll down, you will see download Visual Studio Tools. This is the link that you want to click on. Once you are on the page, you want to go to Community and download the free version of it. Once you're done downloading the free version, the next screen is the screen you will see after you do the install. This is the screen you will see once you're done installing. What you want to do is click on Desktop Development with C++, and you want Windows Application Development, and you want .NET Desktop Development, as well as Game Development with C++. Now, if you're on Linux, you want to click this one. But since we're on Windows, we're going to go with this. And over to the right, you'll see my installation details. And to get to the .NET part, you need to go over to individual components and click on everything that you see that I have clicked. And it's going to be probably an additional thing you need to download. Just probably. It will tell you when you try to load your project, and you just go there and download it if that's the case. The website, it should be blender.org. Go to the download. Do not click the blue button. We want to download the previous version. Click download any Blender. Scroll down until you see Blender 4.1. Click it and download Blender 4.1 x64 zip. This is a portable version, so you don't have to install it. You can run Blender from its folder. Once you're done downloading the file, open it and extract. You'll see two Blender files in there. The first one is the one you want to use. The second one is the one you don't want to use. Now open up Blender. And this is how you open up Blender. You can now close it out and we'll move on to the next one. Okay, the next thing we want to do is go to gimp.org. This is a free open source image editor, kind of like Photoshop. And we're going to use this to make our own little images and stuff. So go down to download and download GIMP directly. And once it's done downloading, just install it. It's very intuitive and you'll be done with it. Now that we're done downloading all of that stuff, now we're going to download our sets. Everything is free, so all you have to do is go to your free tab and click on here, and you'll have all this free stuff that you can download. It's like literally hundreds of pages of it. So if you go through here, you can go to Epic Games content, online learning, which is like content that you use to learn, but you also can take assets from those courses and add it to your project. You have mega scans, free for the month, which is the free stuff you get every month, permanently free collection, and marketplace collection. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you all the sets that we're going to download, and you can go to the search bar that's right here and put it into the search bar. Okay guys, this is what we need for our sets. This is one of the few things we're going to get, but with this pack we're going to get a dragon, a griffin, a minotaur, and a wolf enemy. So you download it and then go to the next one. Now we're going to get fire and flames for our dragon. So this is what it looks like. So it should look pretty cool when our dragon blows fire. So download this and save it until next project. Now we don't necessarily need this, but if you want to learn how to add human vocals to your character when they're dying and running and stuff like that, this is what you will need for practice anyway. So you can download this. So this is the Affinity Blade Epic Games weapon collection. So it's pretty nice. And we can download this. And this is a level. We can use the assets and make our own little level from this. Or we can use this if you want it like this anyway. But we can take everything from here and put it in our own level. So go ahead and download this. Okay, this is some more levels that we can use in our assets. So make sure you get the Affinity Blades Iceland. This is another level also. It's called the Affinity Blades Grassland. You can use some of the stuff in here for our project also. Okay. So this is another level we can use. It's called the Medieval Dungeon. It has pretty decent levels. It's a very small project level, so we'll probably increase the size of it. Now this is something that we can use for like opening chests and collecting gold and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. We'll get this. Ancient treasures. Now this is what we're going to use for our mage class, so they can have something to use for their spells. It's called FX Variety Pack, but we're also going to make our own little stuff like this, so yeah, keep that in mind. So with this is a targeting system, so it'll be easier to target bigger mobs and stuff that's a little bit small. So you can download this and add it to your project after we create our project actually. And the Greystone character, we're gonna take armor from this character as well as animations. So make sure you get this character. This is one of the character models we're gonna use for our enemies. Paragon Saravog, and we're also gonna get Paragon Grux, and we're gonna get this particular model because it looks pretty cool, but it's gonna look like this, but we're gonna use this skin, so make sure you get this. And also get this. This is also it's an interaction system that's already replicated, so that'll save us a lot of time with making a pickup system. So make sure you get this, is very essential. Advanced interaction system. And we're going to get this for our interface sound pack. So anything that's got to do with buttons and widgets and stuff like that, we're going to use these sounds for that. And that's it for now. We may go to another area and get some more armor for our characters, for the mages, because I don't think I have anything for the mages yet. But that's pretty much it for that. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like and subscribe button. And if you would like to join my community, you can do so by joining communities.unrealengine.com/Memphis. See you guys next time.